This is not calm.
Added my scope.
Someone who's done it before.
Sound that makes me think of you so much.
I've lost my
All over the world.
This Jack.
every murder case.
Very good. Oh, Kansas.
At number 13,
Are you
Vanished.
there? My boyfriend's
Work, money, and relationships. Miss Monroe.
On a sunlit French morning, Alice Monroe's romantic trip turns to nightmare when boyfriend Tom Parker disappears from a train to Arles. Alone and desperate, she follows faint clues through cobbled streets and Sir David Cafe, peeling back the life he had.
but I want to build a life.
I love you.
When duty calls, ex-Navy SEAL Case Tutton leaves Yellowstone to join the U.S. Marshals, using cowboy grit and military skill to hunt fugitives across Montana. Haunted by family ties and the cost of law, he tracks criminals through badlands and small towns, balancing justice with loyalty. At number 11, The Burbs.
Did see him in the woods. I'm not sure what he was up to. I had to give him space.
House needs a lot of work. But it has good bones.
Something.
I think we should investigate.
I feel like Sherlock Holmes. I think if anything, I'd be Sherlock Holmes. Don't I?
Like house.
She keeps asking questions about the house across the street. What'd you tell her?
Newlywed Sam and Rob move into a quiet cul-de-sac expecting suburban calm, but neighbors whisper, lawns hide secrets, and late-night lights reveal strange rituals. When Sam befriends curious neighbor Lynn, they uncover a pattern of disappearances and a sinister pact binding the secret. As suspicion spreads, alliances shift and ordinary routines crack, revealing great jealousy and a darkness that feeds on small cruelty.
He's hiding something.
I think we should investigate.
I feel like Sherlock Holmes. I think if anything, I'd be Sherlock Holmes.
At number 10, 56 Days.
I deal the guarantee.
Because
Leave.
Since I met you, my life has spun out of control.
After a chance supermarket encounter, Chiara and Oliver fall into a fierce whirlwind romance. For 56 days, they live in a private bubble of passion and secrets until a brutal murder shatters their world. As detectives peel back timelines, the lovers' past unravel. Hidden lies, jealous rivals, and dangerous obsession. Interviews, alibis, and social media traces twist truth into suspicion. At number 9, The Last Thing He Told Me Season 2.
Weird, and I want to know the truth.
I'm telling you, we'll find him.
Get this.
After her husband vanishes, Hannah Holt discovers a note. Protect her. Thrust into a maze of lies, she forces an uneasy bond with her 16-year-old stepdaughter, Pally. As they chase fragment of a life that suddenly feels foreign, clues lead from Austin Quiet Street to hidden bank accounts and strangers with dangerous patience. Each revelation peels back lawyer of a man she thought she knew, revealing secrets that threaten to undo them. At number 8, The Artful Dodger.
Tells the future.
Jack Dawkins once stole for survival. Now his nimble hands Stitch lives as a respected surgeon in 1850s Australia. When Fragan returns, old loyalties tug at Jackson's conscience and a life of quiet respect fades. He is pulled back into the glittering danger of heist, betrayal and impossible choices. Todd Bigwin allows that promises redemption and the criminal world that still sings to his instincts. At number 7, Dark Winds Season 4.
I was tracking a buck.
When a double murder shatters the desert's uneasy calm, the two officers must follow clues that lead into ancient stories and modern danger. As they chase suspects across mills and border towns, their investigation forces them to question faith, tradition, and the thin line between justice and vengeance. Haunted by personal ghosts and cultural tension, Leopold and Chi learned that solving the case means listening to the land itself. In the end, truth arrives like a storm, clearing, brutal, and strangely cleaning and healing. At number 6, Cross Season 2.
Be so hard for you. Sign up to fight for truth.
Detective Alex Cross returned to the States when a brutal serial killer shatters a quiet neighborhood. Haunted by past failures, Cross balances fatherhood and obsession as he follows cryptic clues and a trail of victims. Each lead pulls him into a web of corruption where allies hide motives and danger wears a familiar face. Racing against time, Cross must outthink a cunning adversary who knows his every move. In the end, justice demands sacrifice. Cross risks everything to protect his family and stop the killer. At number 5, Monarch Legacy of Monsters Season 2. After Godzilla's last battle, hidden monster stir again in Monarch's secret surface. Cat, a determined scientist, returned to Japan to unearth her father's past and buried truth about Titans. Alongside agent and reluctant allies, she follows clues from ruined cities to icy wastes, discovering that monsters are not merely beasts, but echoes of human hubris. As government clash and old experiments awaken, the family's legacy becomes a map to survival. At number 11, The Lincoln Lawyer.
Come in all sizes, even supposed.
To prove I'm innocent.
In Los Angeles, defense attorney Mikey Howard runs his practice from the backseat of his Lincoln, chasing justice on the move. After a colleague's sudden death, Mikey inherits a high-profile murder case that would make or break him. With charm, wit, and relentless drive, he navigates corrupt cops, powerful enemies, and clients who blur the line between innocent and guilt. At number 3, Paradise Season 2. In a quiet town called Paradise, calm settles when a former president is brutally murdered. Secret Service agent Xavier Collins is sent to investigate, but the deeper he digs, the more the town's perfect facade unravels. Behind many cut lawns and friendly smiles lie secrets of power, betrayal, and hidden agendas. Each clue ties Paradise to a larger conspiracy that threatens national security. As Xavier confronts allies who may be enemies and truths that endanger his own life, he realizes Paradise is no sanctuary. It is a trap. At number 2, The Night Agent Season 3. Peter Sutherland, a low-level FBI agent, spends night at a quiet White House phone desk meant for emergencies that never come. One night, the phone rings and plunges him into a deadly conspiracy, reaching the highest level of government. Protecting tech expert Bruce Larkin, Peter races through once-forgotten shadows, haunted by assassins and betrayed by insiders. Each clue uncovers secrets that threaten national security and test his loyalty. At number 1, Bridgerton Season 4.
We begin another season. I should like great gossip.
In glittering Regency London, the Bridgerton family steps into a world ruled by gossip and grandeur. Debutants parade before the Queen while whisper from Lady Whistlet down. Scandal street is chaos. Daphne Bridgerton seeks true love but finds herself entangled with the charming Duke of Hastings, whose secrets threaten their union. As siblings chase ambition, romance, and rebellion, the family learns that society's rules are so fragile as hearts.